Hi everyone. In this session I am going to explain how to work with a client object model. So for that I am creating a new project in my Visual Studio. So in this session we will learn about how to create client object model and how to create a subsite or how to get a website title using client object model. Okay, I am here giving a client obj is my project name and I am taking a Windows form application. Okay, so give a name and click OK. So it will take a while to create your new project in the web form. So now your form is created here. Okay, and I am opening toolbox here. I'm adding a button. In the common controls, I'm drag and drop a button control and I'm renaming it. Okay, just give a name like get details. Okay, this is button and I'm adding one more label control to get the information. Okay, and I'm pasting label here and my intention is, and once I click this get details, I want to get the title of the website. Okay, so for that I'm going to this event handler. Okay, and once you double click, that will open your event handler here, and I have a code for that, and I'm just copy pasting the code from my text file. I'm just copy pasting the code here. So once you copy paste, you will see some red squeak here. 1 2 3 3 places you will get a red squeak. Why? Because the client context is not available in the Windows form. So for that, what I'm going to do is, before that I'm going to add references here. Right click on it and click add references, and you will see in the extensions you will see Microsoft.SharePoint dot client and client runtime. So here I am taking a client and a client runtime, and these two are the mandatory DLLs for client object model. So once you add this one, and you should have to use here also, type using space Microsoft dot SharePoint dot client. Okay, so this is enough. So once I add this client, you'll see this red squeaks is gone from here, but you are seeing this form, you're getting a red squeak. Why? Because this is a Microsoft.SharePoint and client.form, it's not available. So for this you should have to type here just system dot, you'll see Windows. Okay, system dot windows dot forms dot form. Okay, and the red squeak is gone from here also. So this is my code here. I am taking a client context. This is it will take the current context of the client, and I am giving the site name here HTTP. This is my site URL. Okay, and I am taking a web, and the context.load will load the web, and the execute query will hit the server, and it will execute the statements what we written before that one. It will execute at a time, and finally I am passing the web.title into my label, and this is my program. And what I'm going to do is, I'm right click, just check any errors are there in the program. It is building the program. So build succeeded. I'm debugging it. Press F5. Okay, the form will open. So the form is opened, and everything is ready. So once you click this get details button, you should have to get your site name. So what is your site name? Open your site. My site, free site name is my site. This is the title of the site. Okay, if I click and I should have to get my site. I'm clicking it. Okay, so it is ready and it is loading. It will take a while. Okay, yes, it is showing that my site. Once I click this one, it is showing my site. So I'm getting web title. This is very simple program. Okay, and break it out. Okay, this is very simple. I'm getting my website. Okay, and I'm going to my farm again. Okay, and I'm adding one more button. So add one more button here. Okay, this button is what I'm going to do is I'm creating a subsite using client object model. Create subsite. Okay, and this is create subsite. Okay, and I have a code for create subsite also. This is also very simple code. We'll see. Okay, and double click on it, it will generate an event handler for that. Okay, and the same maximums, all the things are same. Okay, and this is dot is not available here, and I'm removing the dot. Okay, so everything is fine. We are not getting any red squeak. Okay, so this is very simple code. I am taking the client context, and this is a subset I am creating. Give the exact your site URL, and here web creation info means it is creating a new web. Okay, and the title is give a title for this is no, I'm giving short my new subsite. Okay, so my new subsite, and the title is just give a new web. Okay, so this is very simple, and web new web equal to it is adding a web to your site collection, and it is loading the site, and it is taking a title, and then it is executing. So the total statements will execute here, and what I'm going to do, I'm checking any errors occurred in this program. Okay, build successfully, no errors. Okay, and then debug the program. Press F5. Okay, now first you click the get details, and it will take time, and it will shows that my site. And once I click a create subsite, the E is missing here, but no problem. And once I click this one, so it will take a while, and it will create a subsite. Okay, so once you're creating using out of box options also, it will take some time, and it will create, right? And this is also will take some time, and it will create. Okay, so go to your site. Once the subsite is created, that will come under site contents, right? And just open it. Okay, see, this is a new web which is created 1 minute ago. The new web is created here. So using client object model, you can get the details of that one, or you can create a new web also. Okay, it is created, and it is showing in the form also, right? So like this, using client object model, you can create websites, and you can create a list, or you can create a library, or you can edit, or you can add the items, or you can edit the items also. In the next session, we will discuss how to create a list, and how to add the items, and how to edit the items, and how to update the items. Thanks for watching my video.